Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to Binance by USD only way. Open Binance, complete ID verification, and link a payment method immediately. Next, deposit fiat into your wallet, choose USD on the Buy Crypto page, and pick market or limit order depending on urgency. Confirm fees, review the quoted amount, and complete the purchase. Transfer USD to your spot wallet or an external address if needed for safety and trading. Start by funding your fiat balance to avoid failed transactions and delays. From Binance, tap Deposit, choose your local currency, and follow the bank transfer or card prompts. Bank transfers usually have lower fees and higher limits, while card purchases are instant but cost more. Wait for the deposit confirmation in your fiat wallet, then proceed to Buy Crypto and select USD to place your order. Always double-check amounts and fees before confirming. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful guides. Quick recommendation. I love The Simple Path to Wealth as a calm, practical book about money that pairs well with learning crypto basics. It helped me think about long-term savings versus quick trades. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a moment to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Navigate to Buy Crypto, pick USD, and enter either the amount of fiat or USD you want. For instant execution, choose market order so the trade fills at current prices. Use limit if you prefer to wait for a specific price. Check the fee breakdown and the final amount of USD you will receive. Confirm the trade, then move USD to your spot wallet or an external address for holding or further trading as needed for security and convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.